Alright, so now I'm probably in one of my favorite apps of all that are just truly essential to me, and that's Google Calendar. And I accessed it by clicking on my Calendar tab up here. For me, it's particularly amazing because I have a relatively large family, a wife and 3 kids, and we want to do our best to stay as organized as possible in our family. So it works like any other digital or even paper calendar that you might have used. The thing that really sets it apart is that it can sync across all your devices. So if you're using a Mac, it'll sync with iCal. If you're using a PC, it'll sync with Outlook, Calendar, BlackBerry, Android, iPhone. It'll sync across all those calendar apps so that if you input one device here, it'll be immediately updated there, and you can share. So as you can see here, if you look at mine, I have a situation here where I have a bunch of different calendars here. You can see, and my family's calendars are here, and so we've separated things by color. Okay, and each calendar is separate. However, you can view all the events on all of the calendars together if you'd like. So that's what's wonderful too. So for example, this is our my class calendar. And I use this for my students and parents in my class. And whenever I update something on there, it immediately syncs to anyone else who shares that calendar. So let me show you what I mean. When I click on the little arrow going down there, it gives me a lot of different options. And one of the options it gives me is to share the calendar. So I can either share it with another Gmail user, okay? Or I can share it so that it can be embedded into a blog. Okay, so let me show you what that means. So, for example, when I go to my class blog, and we click on calendar, you can see that I've embedded our class calendar here. Okay, and the great thing about this is that it's a live document, if you'd like. In that if I update this on my phone while I'm at the dentist's office, it'll immediately get updated on the site too, because this is just connecting to the cloud-based app. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the app, and this is the part where you can either share it with another Gmail user, or if you want to embed it like I just did, you've got to make the calendar public, and then click on Calendar Details. And then you can get the embed code right there. You can even customize the calendar. So this embed code is what you use to post it into any web page that gives you the option to submit HTML code. It's pretty simple stuff. So I would copy this. And then I'd paste it into anywhere that allowed me to have code. So just as an example, if you look at this one here, when I was composing this blog post, I was able to go into the HTML code and just paste it in. That's it. You can see here that I've made a different variation of the calendar as well as in list form on the side. So those are all the different options. Now going back to the calendar, you'll notice that you can have a month view, a week view, a day view, a 4-day view, the agenda view, okay, and all color-coded and so on. Again, the best part is that it syncs across all devices, and it's really, really hard for you to lose this data as long as you're keeping secure passwords and usernames. Google Calendar is amazing. Please try it out.